is the footwell behind our trampoline, and it has 2 drain holes, and we've got these plugs. I think they're like wine bottle plugs. So we can plug one up, and then the water will go down here. Alright, I'm going to shove Jeff into the anchor locker so he can show how this works.
The water comes through the drain hole, through this Y valve, which selects if it goes overboard or if it goes into the 7-litre collection tank. Goes in, there's a pressure sensor inside there, and then once it determines that the level of the water is such, switches on this pump, flows the water through this accumulator, 3 filters, and all the way to the back of the anchor locker into the UV sterilizer, and then into the water tank.
So that's the tank being at